Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the adjustable leg in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new adjustable leg. There are two adjustable legs mounted on the bottom of the front section of the refrigerator. These legs are used to level the fridge. The main reason to replace an adjustable leg is if it's bent or stripped, making adjustments impossible. To get to the part, we need to lift one side of the fridge. I'm using a wooden block. I'm going to put it down there and tilt it and install the block under. Be careful. If you can use a second person, do that. Put it down slowly. Alright, so we see this adjustable leg, and to take it out we need to unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. Yeah, it's a long turn, but it will end up pretty soon. While I'm talking, it's free now. This is the old adjustable leg next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So got this new leg here, and we are going to put it in. It's a little hard because we don't see what we're doing actually, but this is our roller and the opening is right in front of it. So we find it and start putting the leg in, turning it clockwise. Alright, so we're going a little bit above the roller, and at this point we're going to leave it and put the fridge down. We're going to tilt the fridge and take out the wooden block. Slowly put it down. After we install the adjustable leg, check the leveling of the fridge, and if it's necessary, adjust the leg. You can screw it in or screw it out. And after you're done, plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.